Welcome to a new episode of our weekly web series Science in Context. In the past week, the UK Health Security Agency found poliovirus in samples from the London sewage. I'm Sabine and joining me today is Professor Nick Grassly. Nick, is it unusual to detect poliovirus in UK sewage and should we be worried?
Hi Sabina. Well, the UK tests sewage in Glasgow and London, and typically between 1 and 3 polioviruses are detected each year. However, this detection is unusual because the virus has been detected since February and it appears to be spreading in the community. So if it continues to spread among unvaccinated children, it will eventually cause paralysis. So it's important that parents check their children are up to date with their polio vaccines.
Can you explain a bit more what polio is and how it is transmitted?
So poliovirus is really a gut infection that is spread from person to person, typically by contamination of food and water. Every few hundred infections, though, it can result in paralysis, the disease we know as polio.
And what exactly is vaccine-like or vaccine-derived poliovirus?
So in the UK, we use an injected polio vaccine that contains killed virus. However, much of the world relies on the oral polio vaccine that contains weakened or attenuated poliovirus. This virus grows in the intestine and stimulates an immune response. And very rarely, perhaps once every 10 million doses of vaccine, this virus can spread and cause outbreaks of vaccine-derived poliovirus. Vaccine-derived poliovirus is just as nasty as the original wild-type virus because it's lost its attenuation.
Why is it that we're seeing poliovirus in London sewage?
Well, oral poliovirus vaccine has been used around the world to bring polio to the brink of eradication. And there are just 2 countries that still have transmission of wild-type poliovirus, that's Afghanistan and Pakistan. And most likely this virus has arrived from one of those countries, inadvertently carried by a child immunized with the oral vaccine in those countries.
Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.